Hey, just wanted to make a quick video. I have a 2006 Honda Civic here, and it needs the Serpentine belt pulley replaced. It's making quite a bit of noise, and there's no quick videos that I've seen how to the easiest way to get that noise stopped. And this is a cheap vehicle, so I don't want to put too much work into it. I just really need to get the pulley noise fixed. And so what I did anyways is just took the two bolts out there for that engine mount, obviously put a jack underneath it first to support the engine, and I used the 2x4 on the oil pan there just support the engine so it doesn't slam down too far. And I actually got it done. I got it loose in, I don't know, 5 minutes. I took the wheel and tire off, took that one little splash guard that was right there off and just kind of folded it down out of my way. I took this, which is it's just a little 1/4 inch T47, and I lowered the engine down, and then I was able to get to that pulley right there with the T47 and my little 1/4 inch ratchet, and it was nice and easy. Actually, I got it right up. I got it right in there. Let me get a better view. Yeah, right in there like that, and got that loosened. And so it actually wasn't torqued on there too bad. Mine wasn't, and that only took me about 5-10 minutes, which is better than replacing that whole tensioner setup. If the hydraulic tensioner is still good on it, saved quite a bit of time. And you know, I'll have that changed here in about, you know, whole job 20 minutes, and don't have to worry about pulling that tensioner bolt out that can potentially break inside. It's kind of notorious for breaking inside there, and then you having to tap out the engine block. So just want to make a quick video of how I fixed that issue.